Here's how most emergency calls actually start. Not with a bang, but with something small that got ignored.
Yeah, and by the time it turns into an emergency, your options are usually limited. More stress, more cost, and way less control.
On this week's podcast, we're breaking down what homeowners should actually know before they're standing in a cold basement at night.
If you want fewer surprises and better decisions when heat matters most, the warning signs, what fails first, and when calling early can make all the difference.
This episode's worth your time. This isn't scare tactics, it's what we see every winter.
Emergency furnace repairs, what homeowners should know, on the Air Design Answers podcast.